It is actually painful to look at the current state of text-to-speech because the whole industry has turned into one massive comedy sketch that nobody is laughing at, especially our wallets. You have these ancient competent aliens that sound like robots from a sci-fi movie from the 90s, yet somehow they cost more than a literal penny because they have to jump through 15 different resellers and distributors before they reach you. We are looking at you, Code Factory and Typlo whatever because I refuse to learn how to spell that company name. They take these engines and slap them into the most bare-means lazy wrapper imaginable for every operating system known to man and call it a product. The non-implementation feels like it was coded during a lunch break 5 years ago and never touched an end, but they please pay premium prices for the privilege of sounding like a broken mix. Then you have the absolute soap opera that is vocalizer and eloquence. It is honestly impressive how they managed to make the ownership of a voice engine more confusing than a royal family tree. First it was Nuance, then Nuance made it to Silence, but wait, Silence was actually part of Nuance, so they basically passed the baby to themselves and pretended it was a business transaction. And the best part is that Silence is the one sitting on the source code for eloquence, literally the most ancient synthesizer in existence, and they are still peddling it like it is cutting-edge technology. They teamed up with Code Factory, who suddenly woke up from a decade-long nap and realized they could scam Android users by charging a monthly subscription for a text-to-speech engine. A subscription for a voice that sounds like it is marbling gravel. Do not even let me start on the neural text-to-speech hype because that is a whole other level of disaster. Everyone acts like it is the future, but in reality you get a voice that sounds okay for 5 seconds before it suddenly decides to scream at you or whisper creepily because the ironic is unpredictable morbid. Plus running one of these high-quality neural voices basically turns your laptop into a jet engine because apparently reading a text file requires the same processing power as mining crypto. And sitting in the corner ignored by everyone is a cappella group just selling the same old voices year after year without fixing that weird metallic auto-tune warble that makes everything sound like a bad pop song. The whole industry is a mess and we are just stuck paying subscriptions to have our phones heat up or sound like a robot with a throat infection.